Everybody, welcome back to our video, and today we're going to be playing more Slime Rancher. So I did a little something off camera, so if we go over here, you can see I have more health. I have 150 health. I bought the water tank for tar, which is good, and I think I bought the dash boots, and I do have a good amount of coins left. So yeah. Today we're going to be trying to unlock the lab. So how you do that is go over here, and for 10,000 coins you have to buy it, but as you can see I don't have enough money for that right now, so I'm going to be doing a lot of selling ports. Anyways, I'm also thinking that maybe we should go to the ancient ruins if we can try and get a couple points into, or not points, a couple ports inside of the thing. So yeah. So real quick, let's sell some money. Let's sell some ports for money. Yeah, I just can't talk today. Okay. There we go, we got all those good ports. Nice. Okay, so I think the crystal slimes are a bit angry, so let's just feed them some okas. Okay. There we go. I really hope I don't accidentally feed them a boom or a honey port, or otherwise. It's tar day. Oh, we have to click in here. Anyways, let's feed these rad ports, these crystals. Oh my gosh, I thought I almost threw boom ports in the mix. That would have created tar, which would have made me cry, because tar, kills. Okay. Or eats. They don't kill, they eat other slimes.
Nothing happens that has to do with killing in Slime Rancher.
Okay. There we go. Got a lot of money. Maybe we'll be able to unlock the lab pretty soon here. I don't know. Probably not too soon, but soon, or soon-ish soon. Anyways, so I think I have to get the phosphor gordo for the next key. Yay. Okay, buddy, time to go back to your little cage, and you can just have some fun there. How did that guy escape? You know what? Oh my gosh. Just for safety precautions, I'm gonna throw this guy into the slime sea because I don't want any more of them to fall, or otherwise tar will come and eat up all of my slimes. So we don't want that. Anyways. Yeah, I guess we're gonna have to get a ton, and I mean a ton of food, for the phosphor slime. So, yeah. I'm gonna actually make another garden, so I can get more food a lot quicker. Okay, there we go. Let's go over here. Yeah, we have one mint mango that I can put there. Nice. Boom chicka boom. Okay, we're gonna sleep. I actually just noticed that was the first week of Beatrix. This is the 70 rewards club. I actually kind of want to do a little 70 rewards stuff. Let's buy some stuff. Okay, maybe I shouldn't have bought all that if I'm gonna go to get the lab. Oh my gosh, I lost so much. Anyways, so let's get all these fruits. Pop the slime. Let's pop the phosphor slime. It takes like 40 something fruits. It's crazy. Very quite crazy. Okay, let's get you guys. There we go. Yeah, I don't know if we'll have enough, guys. Well, I don't know. I'll have to see. On the way here, I'm probably gonna get some water because I don't want any tar to eat me up. No, don't, no, stop it, corn dog. What the frick do you think you're doing? Okay, there we go. Yeah, all the pogo food was gone. Wait, there's one. Okay, it's alright. Pogo fruit is alright. Two of that. I hear a gold slime! Gold slime! I saw one of you on the very first, video of the series. The gold slime's gone. Okay, rip gold slime. Well, now we have a gold port. That was very unexpected. Nice. I actually got a gold port at the beginning of the series, so I actually have a playlist of Slime Rancher, so you could see that in the playlist if you want to see the whole series. Well, I think instead of selling this gold port, I'm gonna put it in a silo. I actually sold my first gold port because I didn't have a silo, but now I can afford it. That's nice. So there we go. Oh my gosh, it looks so weird without any upgrades. Add storage. Okay, I'm actually like losing a lot of money. So, and I said I'm gonna get the lab today. Anyways, back to the trip to get the phosphor slime. Okay. I think there should be some more fruit over here. Air drive. Yes, jetpack thrusters to consume 20 less energy, but versus double the fun. Okay. I guess we can buy that. Okay, that thing's dead. Rip. Okay, there lies dead pogo fruit. Oh, give me all that pogo fruit. I think it's kind of weird how, like, they're called pogo fruit, but it's a thing, so, yay. Is that my first time picking up a hen? Seriously? Okay. Let's see. Yeah, it takes like 40 fruit to blow up the phosphor slime. I never thought in my life I'd say a sentence like that. Blow up the phosphor slime. Okay, let's go down. There we go. Eat up, big boy. Are you shaking? He's not even shaking. Can we pop him? The guy isn't even shaking. Well, he's definitely bigger, but he's not even shaking. What? Ow. No. I keep being eaten by these rocks. Oh gosh, my dog is so loud. Okay, I was just eaten by those rock slimes there. Rocks. You can never trust a rock. Yeah. That's what Corn Dog says, 2020. Okay, 2 Q-berries, beautiful. I'm not gonna be... I thought I saw another gold slime. I'm not gonna be going to the moss blanket, but I'm gonna check if there's any, Q-berries here. Yeah, there is. Beautiful. Is there a crate? No. Okay, that's alright. Okay. Well, I guess I'm gonna feed this to the phosphorus slime after I get a little more. Actually, I at least want to see if it can shake. We're obviously gonna pop it in this video, but I want to see if it can shake. Like now. Okay. I want to see this guy shake. Come on, shake, please. Yes, he's shaking. Oh, I jinxed it, but in a good way. Wait, please be fruit. Yes, what? Wait. So, this is kind of crazy. So, I just got another gold slime. That's the second gold slime in this episode. What? That is crazy. And something even crazier is I did not think gold slimes were in crates anymore, because so this is why I think this. So gold slimes used to be able to spawn in crates, but I thought they removed it from the game, but apparently they didn't. That's kind of really cool. Oh, I have another gold port that I can put in my silo. That silo was definitely worth it. Okay, well, I guess we should put this gold port back and sleep another night so we can get more fruit to pop that thing. Oh no, we have tar. Oh no, this is bad. Get the water. Water. Thank you very much. Water. Okay, you can die. Thank you very much. Wait. Hello. Goodbye. Such a good citizen. Should I say slimison? Anyways, I keep saying that I'm gonna sleep, for fruits, but actually maybe I should, go back there once again, because I think this 5 pogo fruit will be able to blow the phosphor slime up. So, yeah, I hope so, or otherwise, this trip is technically a waste of time. Yes! I had just enough! That is amazing. And I got a slime key. That is beautiful. Okay. Wait, do you think we'd be able to get another gold slime? Yeah, I didn't think so. If so, I'd basically just... I don't even know. That'd be too perfect. Oh, there's a green treasure pod there. That's just... yeah, okay. Cool. Oh gosh, an angry slime has escaped. Now, instead of going down the angry slime route, I might as well just... I don't want to die this episode. And I haven't died at all. I mean, the goal for this series is not to die at all. But, well, not really die. I just don't want to get knocked unconscious, throughout this, series. So I didn't want to take the angry slime route. Anyways, looks like I have some more star mail, because the mail thing is just going up and down, up and down. Okay, what do I do with the slime key? Oh yeah, go to the ancient ruins. Okay, nice. It's gonna take me a couple trips to, go to the ancient ruins. Or, I'm gonna have to go to the ancient ruins a couple times, because, you have to get a bunch of different plorts to open the slime gate, which is going to be very annoying. Okay, gonna take a boom plort, thank you very much. And a honey plort, thank you very much again. And a rad plort, thank you. And a crystal plort, thank you. And I think I need like a tabby and a pink, but I'm probably going to be able to find those on the way, plus their food, so I think we're gonna be good. Watch, like, maybe, like, the crystal plort isn't, something that you need. Actually, I don't think it is. Is it? I don't know. I'm taking my chances here. Actually, you know what? I know a phosphor plort is one that you need, so, and also a tabby. So, tabby slime, can you please? Yeah, I'm gonna do the phosphor slime, because the tabby slime is gonna be a lot easier to get the plort for. Plort frog water. Okay. Yeah, I had a feeling there'd be a phosphor plort here. There we go. By the way, guys, if there's any challenges that you want me to do in my Slime Rancher game, or maybe I can start a new series. Like, there's one series that I wanted to do where it was a no Gordo challenge. So if you guys want to see that, tell me in the comments. Or I meant no Largo challenge. Sorry, not Gordo. Anyways. So real quick, I kind of wanted to check my Slimepedia. See what I have not sucked up. Are you telling me I haven't sucked up a rock slime before? That's kind of funny. I'm actually kind of embarrassed. Can't believe I haven't sucked up a rock slime before. I've obviously seen a rock slime before, but apparently I haven't sucked one up. It's kind of sad. Okay, just going on this bridge. No, don't fall, please. Whatever you do, Beatrix, do not fall. I'm gonna get this straight. Money and 2 pink slimes and a pogo fruit. That's just nice. For some reason, every single time I'm in the moss blanket, it gets a whole lot laggier. That's at least what I think. Oh, there's a slime style here. What will it be? It's an arcane. That's what boom slimes look like now. That's just beautiful. I think boom slimes kind of look weird with the arcane texture, but that's only an opinion. Please hurry. There we go. Okay. Oh, I have to put in a pink plort. Wait, why is the pink plort already in there? Oh, it's probably like giving you an idea of what you're supposed to do. Thanks, Slime Rancher. You're very nice. Aww. Red. No! I thought that would hit it in his mouth. Eat the port, dude. And I do have to do a rock slime. That's just great. I think there's a boom slime, right? There's gotta be. Yeah. So we have tabby slime and rock slime to do yet. Okay. I've actually seen speedrunners do stuff like this, and they carry like a honey boom slime to the place, which I think is pretty smart. Wait, do rock slimes spawn here? I don't think they do. Gosh dang it. No, we can. That means I'm gonna have to go all the way back. I should have just gone like a... I should have gone the boom slime. Well, dang. Okay, gonna put the tab plort in here. If I can find it. And I'll find it someday. It's not there. Gosh, I can't find it. Yeah, we're missing 2. The tabby and the rock. I'm a rock. Where is it? Am I blind, or, like, is it, like, I don't know. Where is the tabby? I'm sorry, guys, I'm having a lot of trouble. seriously, where is it? It's taking me hours. Someday I'll find it. Yeah, I cannot find that thing. Why am I having so much trouble? This is simple corn dog. What on earth? Is it on a ledge? It's probably on a ledge, isn't it? It should just like show an arrow. Yeah, you guys can just skip ahead if you wanna not see me do this for hours on end. Is it here? Oh, it's here. Okay, guys, you can't blame me too much. I mean, that thing is physically impossible to do or to find. Oh! Have the blue just okay. Please tell me they do have rocks in the moss blanket. I don't think they have rocks in the moss blanket. Do they have? No, doesn't look like it. Well, well, guys, I guess that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. So I'm gonna go home off camera probably, so you guys don't have to suffer and see me do this for hours on end trying to get home. But yeah, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Do not forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.